Welcome back to the channel everyone. 1JZ Hilux build. In this video we'll make a bit of progress on all of this side of the engine. Get this side of the motor sorted as well. Pretty much get it all plumbed up and get the last bits sorted to get this thing running. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks everyone. The build's taking a lot longer than we thought. Even my son is eager for the truck to be running. It'll get done soon. Just gotta be patient. Being a dad and running a business takes priority, obviously. But we'll get it done nevertheless, and we'll have this thing running hopefully soon. So hang in there, guys. Hey, what are you doing? First things first is bolt up the manifold, get that done, and then we'll get the turbo on there and the oil lines. I'm going to get these oil lines all plumbed up into the turb, this return to get into there. The manifold, as you've seen, is all bolted up now.
A few moments later.
So I've managed to put the radiator in, and look how tight it is from the fan pulley to the radiator.
Bruh. Yeah, it's important for the YouTube.
Oh yeah, when you guys don't learn.
I think I actually caked it a bit, to be honest.
3-inch.
Got him!
Turn it anti-clockwise.
Going? Oh yeah, so now I need to do the same angle cut, but for the for your piece down there, and then it'll be mint. Alright, back to it. Beautiful. Yep, all good.
Exhausted, are you?
Yeah. Just leave it. Just have it out like that. How about that, eh? Comment and tell us what you reckon. I was thinking maybe out here. Whee! I was thinking maybe out here like this.
Oh, a bit of a lake pipe.
Like that. Just yeah, we'll see where it goes.
This is the TIG torch setup that I got. It's a scratch start, so you have to arc on the metal for the weld to start. I've actually gotten used to it. It's a good setup and it's welding quite good now. So
we're getting the down pipe done. Started already. I did a bit of MIG last night. I wish I didn't, because my TIG regulator broke, so now I'm starting off with the TIG. And yeah, I've just got to practice, get those dialed in a bit. The welds, one of the key elements for the downpipe is the can Lambard sensor, the O2 sensor to go into the downpipe. So welded the bung in and chucked this in there. out. As you can see, rear coming down this way, checking around the gearbox. The reason we do that is because of the fuel tank there. Around the gearbox, there's a solid mount there. See, I'm not the best, but I'm.
If you made it this far of the video, hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, just got to keep the workshop clean. But yeah, managed to get the snorkel most of the way done. Bit more progress to come in the next vid, but hope you guys enjoy it. And yep, just remember to subscribe, like and comment. See ya!